I want to first thank the County Assembly of Nyandarua. This is a very good tradition for the last 8 years. We have had our annual county prayers. And I would want to say that we would want to join the leadership of Nyandarua, the leadership of the country, in thanking God for the far that He has brought us. It is also an opportunity for us as leaders to reflect on the responsibility that has been put on our shoulders by God, see how far we have been able to serve our people, and also appreciate the fact that we are all elected and given opportunity to serve, and we have to respect each other and we have to work together. Also, finally, I think it also brings us to appreciate that without unity and without working together, we shall not be able to move as a country, we shall not be able to move as a county, and we shall not be able to move as a region. So it's a moment of reflection, self-reflection for each one of us, including the other people from this county, seeing how far God has brought us. This would not say was a bad year in terms of the economic activities of this county, in terms of agriculture. We may have had a few challenges in leadership. We may have a few challenges in the responsibilities that we have, delayed disbursement from the exchequer. But we have to appreciate that so far we've come this far. We want to still make a commitment. As those of us who are charged with the responsibility of defending devolution, we shall still continue calling on the national government to ensure that they release monies that are meant for counties promptly, because that is a constitutional requirement. The national government does not do any favor to the county governments by releasing the monies in time. That is a constitutional requirement. The national government does not do counties any favor by having the monies now increased to 387 billion. It's not a favor. That is what the counties deserve, so that we're able to fund devolution and so that we're able to bring services closer to our people.
The 8th annual county prayer breakfast. Kila mwaka tunakuanga na maombi. So leo ni the 8th kutoka tulianza, ambapo sisi ushukuru Mungu. We call all stakeholders, we call our leaders, na hii maombi inakuanga ya county, both the executive and the assembly. And with us we are accompanied by the senator, the office of the governor, na watu wote wa hii county. Hii maombi, it's a uniting factor. Haikuji wakati kuna changamoto, inakuja kila wakati mwisho wa mwaka, na it is a way of thanksgiving to God, na inatukusanyisha na inatuleta pamoja viongozi wote wa county, na pia stakeholders, wahubiri, wanabiashara, na viongozi wote wanakuja pamoja. Yenye imetuwezesha kukua pamoja kama viongozi ni hiyo kuwa tunaongeleshana, a lot of diplomacy wakati ya tukubaliani, we agree to disagree, na sana sana maombi kama haya Mungu anatuweka pamoja. Kwa hivyo tunaongeleshana kukikuwa na shida, na ndio maana for the last 3 years sasa tunaelekea Nyandarua imekuwa peaceful. Also the support of the leaders of the national government, the senator, the national leaders wanatushikilia sana. Kwa hivyo hiyo inatuwezesha kukua pamoja. Wito wangu ningeuliza watu wote washikilie viongozi, kwa sababu leaders are God chosen, na Mungu aliwachagua kupitia wananchi. Kwa hivyo kwa sasa tuwashikilie wakati wako kwa hizi ofisi hadi wakati tutafika uchaguzi.
Spirit. Today we are here gathered Nyandarua County, the Assembly and the Executive, and as you can see around here, we also have the residents of this county. So basically to come and pray our God, because we know the power of prayer, and that is what has made us move forward with a lot of strength, energy, and we have been able to serve our people of Nyandarua. Yes. My message to the people of Nyandarua is, first of all, is to thank you very much, because you have also been very supportive in our agenda, particularly in the deliverance of services. You have also been very supportive. My advice is you keep praying for this county, be supportive as we move forward in delivering the services. Going forward, as we go to the holidays coming forward, I urge you to be very cautious in the way you interact. Be prayerful for the nation going forward. Certainly there has been that problem, the delay of funds from the national government. But I would want also to recommend the national government, because so far we do not have any big gaps, because we have been also able to pay the salaries, and I don't think there's anything pending so far. But going forward, we would also want to urge the national government to be very prompt, or rather be releasing the funds in good time, so as we are also able to serve the people that that have put us on this space, and be able to serve and deliver on the project that we have forward. Yes.
Kirathimo ugakorwo na waragania ona magiturutira wira baba itu matongorie na wendo muingi ni tondu baba itu maguo maendeleo thiini wa kaunti ino mathie gutherema thiini wa mathukuru mathibitari o hamwe na mabarabara urimi-ini witu na niguo tuikarage twiti
want all of us to be together, and I want us to recognize the presence of our guest speaker, His Excellency Professor the members of County Assembly, kindly let us serve. Presence of our host, Speaker Stephen Weganjo. Allow me to recognize the presence We will take this opportunity to officially have our breakfast by requesting His Excellency